For more than 50 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been a world leader in the food processing industry. We now have over 2,300 liquid-solid separation systems running in the food and beverage industry. Lyco's expertise and main focus for liquid-solid separation are in the following industries: poultry, turkey, vegetables, fruit, red meat, pork, seafood, French fry, potato chip, wine, pet food, rendering, and breweries. Since 1994, Lyco has offered internally fed single and double drum screens, which are flow-through designs. Both liquids and solids enter the in-feed flume and go inside the drum. The solids are augered out, while the liquid drains through the screen. Lyco offers 7 different sizes in diameter and length for handling 200 gallons per minute, all the way up to 7,000 gallons per minute, depending upon the opening size of the screen. All Lyco screens are made from wedge wire. Wedge wire is very efficient, self-cleaning, and has more open area per square inch, making it a preference over perforated drums. Lyco screens have the lowest water usage. Our traveling spray reduces water consumption during CIP by 90% versus static spray bars. Lyco's external flow screens are for beef and pork slaughter harvest plants, pet food, and further processing meat plants. Our external screens are ideal for applications with a lot of hair, fat, oils, and greases, where an externally fed screen fits the application better than internally fed screens. Product and water are pumped through the head box. The water goes through the screen and out the back drain. The solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning, and the doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen. In 2022, Lyco saved customers over 3 billion gallons of water with our water reuse systems, which are ideal for in-plant applications. We call this system our sanitary zero-maintenance screen. These screens are offered in capacities ranging from 50 gallons per minute up to 400 gallons per minute. Lyco offers sealed drum screens for rendering and wine applications for containing liquid and odors. In rendering applications, this is ideal after cookers for separating hot oil from cracks. Our agitation effectively turns over the product to allow for better oil separation. This design has been used in the wine industry for over 20 years because it contains all the liquid and is the most sanitary separating screen on the market. Our sealed drums come with a 2-way flip-top cover, allowing access to the inside of the unit for cleaning and maintenance. Finally, Lyco offers side hill stationary screens, which are ideal for pumping applications for transporting products from point A to point B. We redesigned this unit in 2015, allowing for the screen to pivot, which makes it more sanitary and easy to clean. So if you would like more information about any of Lyco's family of screens, please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.